There are two basic ways to find a fraction of a whole number. What you do is you take a look at the denominator and see if it will go into the whole number perfectly. In this case, can 6 go into 24 perfectly? Of course. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, whatever I do to the bottom of this problem, I have to do to the top as well. So since I did times 4 to the bottom number, I have to do times 4 to the top number. 5 times 4 equals 20, and that is the answer. Now, if the denominator can't go into the whole number perfectly, you'll have to turn it into a multiplication problem. So you put the whole number over 1, multiply straight across, and then simplify at the end if you need to. And that is how you find a fraction of a whole number.